most of the brain tumors, they don't come from the neurons. The brain tumors come from the supporting structures.
Like
the astrocytes. These are like supports for the nerves. The other thing is brain tumors as a rule do not spread to other parts of the body. They are confined to within the brain.
so how it happens? Genetic or any influence?
Most of the brain tumors are genetic. There is no diet, there is no smoking or alcohol, no lifestyle thing related to brain tumors.
So are there any different types of brain tumors or just one?
To give you an idea, there are nearly 120 types of brain tumors. The chance of having a brain tumor in an adult is 2 to 3 per 1 lakh population. In children, it is lesser. In adults, the most common tumor actually surprisingly does not come from within the brain. The most common tumor which is diagnosed in the brain is called a metastatic tumor.
The tumor from some other
Other
has gone
part,
to the brain.
like could be breast tumor, it could be from intestine. Maybe around 18 to 20% of all tumors are metastatic tumors. Then you have something called primary tumors, which are originating from within the brain or from the covering of the brain.
Astrocytes.
Astrocytes are within the brain, and outside the brain there is a plastic like covering, like a tarpaulin sheet. It's called a dura. And then below that you have the arachnoid matter, and then you have the pia matter. Pia matter is stuck to the brain. From this covering of the brain, from the arachnoid cells, you can get a tumor called meningioma. Meningioma is we call it benign tumor. It is not a cancer. It grows slowly. It puts pressure on the brain. Suppose it puts pressure here, it can affect somebody's speech. Somewhere here, it can affect someone's vision. That is one of the most common tumors. Luckily, it is a benign tumor. Then in adults, you have astrocytomas, which is graded again into low grade and high grade. Grade 1 to 2 are low grade. Those we treat with the surgery, and mostly if you remove it completely, the outcome is very good. They don't come back. But then you have high grade tumors, grade 3 and grade 4. Whatever you do, grade 4 is a highly malignant brain tumor. It is called a glioblastoma multiforme. These are highly malignant brain tumors. They grow very rapidly. Even if you try and remove completely, there is a high chance of it coming back. It can leave some small seedlings and that can grow.
So this is 100% mortality?
In medicine, if you say a person has survived a cancer for 5 years, you say that the person is cured of the cancer. So if you see a person with glioblastoma, at the end of 3 years, only 25% will survive of the tumor. And at the end of 5 years, like 5 years survival, not more than 8 to 10% survive. So it's a very malignant tumor with a poor prognosis.